Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Want to build your own website from scratch? Then let's talk about two free platforms that make it super easy: Nekoweb and Neocities. Both let you create websites using basic code. There's no fancy stuff, just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of them as modern versions of old school GeoCities. You built your site and host it for free. Neocities came first. Launching back in 2013, it's the OG of this space, with over a million websites hosted. You get 1 gigabyte of storage for free, and that's plenty for most people. The community is strong and creative. But here's the catch: free accounts can't upload music files or videos. You also can't make outside requests to other websites easily. To unlock these features, you need to pay $5 monthly. Nekoweb is newer. Starting in 2024, it feels like Neocities but with training wheels off. Free accounts get 500 megabytes of storage, which sounds like less, but here's the cool part: you can upload any file type for free: music, videos, whatever. The editing tools are better too. You can switch between files easily, use autocomplete, and even access a fancy code editor based on VS Code. Plus, there's no restrictions on connecting to other websites. Both are free to start. Neocities charges $5 monthly for premium features, and Nekoweb offers two tiers. $1 gets you basic perks, $3 gets you everything, including 10 gigs of storage and custom domains. Neocities has built-in social features. You can follow sites, leave comments, and see updates in your feed. Nekoweb keeps it simpler with just an RSS feed, but they have an active Discord server where you can chat with developers directly. Choose Neocities if you want a proven platform with a big community and social features. Choose Nekoweb if you want more freedom with file types, better editing tools, and cheaper pricing. Both are awesome for learning web design, and both are completely free to start. You really can't go wrong either way. So which one would you pick? Well, let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this comparison, hit that subscribe button for more web dev tips.